Welcome back to Automotive. Is your check engine light showing P0118? Don't replace the coolant temperature sensor just yet. In this video, I'll show you the real causes, proper diagnosis, and how professionals fix this fault step by step. Today we're talking about diagnostic trouble code P0118. This code means the engine control module has detected a high voltage signal from the engine coolant temperature sensor circuit. In simple words, the ECU believes the engine is extremely cold because it's receiving an abnormal high voltage. Let's understand why this happens and how to diagnose it correctly. The engine coolant temperature sensor, also called the ECT sensor, measures the engine coolant temperature. It sends temperature information to the engine control module. The ECU uses this data to control P0118, means the ECU is receiving a voltage that's higher than the expected range. Normally, the ECT sensor works with a 5-volt reference. When the circuit becomes open or the signal wire loses its connection, the ECU reads almost 5 volts. The ECU then assumes the engine temperature is around -40 degrees Celsius. This immediately triggers the P0118 fault code. Common symptoms include check engine light hard cold, starting poor fuel economy, black smoke from exhaust cooling fan, running continuously, engine running rich, high fuel consumption, poor engine performance. The most common causes of P0118 are an unplugged coolant temperature sensor, damaged wiring, broken signal wire, corroded connector, failed ECT sensor, poor ECU ground, 5-volt. Step 1. Connect your scan tool and confirm the P0118 code. Step 2. Check the live data. If coolant temperature shows -40 degrees Celsius, the ECU is not receiving a proper signal. Step 3. Inspect the sensor connector carefully. Look for loose pins, corrosion, or damaged wiring. Step 4. Measure the reference voltage. You should have approximately 5 volts from the ECU. Step 5. Measure sensor resistance. Compare the readings with manufacturer specifications. Step 6. Perform continuity tests between the ECU and the sensor. Repair any open circuit before replacing components. Many technicians replace the coolant temperature sensor immediately. But in many vehicles, the real problem is a broken wire or poor connector. Always test before replacing parts. Proper diagnosis saves both time and money depending on your diagnosis. The repair may include replacing the engine coolant temperature sensor, repairing damaged wiring, cleaning connector terminals, repairing open circuits, fixing poor ECU grounds, updating or replacing the ECU if all other tests pass after repairs. Clear the code and perform a road test. Verify that coolant temperature changes normally and the fault does not return. That's everything you need to know about DTC P0118. If this video helped you understand the fault, please like, share, and subscribe to Automotive. Comment below if you'd like to see more professional diagnostic videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.